Hi, my name is Martin Fensterstock. I'm the National Sales Manager for Comprehensive Connectivity Company. Today we're going to take a look at our Pro AV IT 4K 18 gig HDBaseT Extender that can extend HDMI signals up to 230 feet. This HDBaseT Extender supports 18 gig, ultra high definition, 4K at 60 Hz, 2160p, and 10-bit HDR pass-through. This kit is designed to convert a full HDMI signal to standard HDBaseT signal, which can be conveniently transmitted over a single Ethernet cable. This kit also includes 2 IR receivers and 2 transmitters, as well as RS-232 control. All components are RoHS compliant and, of course, HDCP 2.2. This unit also comes with a 3-year hassle-free warranty. For more information on this product, please visit us at comprehensiveco.com or connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.